I'm going to give you one more here. I forgot what it's called, the Luxury Lanes. Luxury Lane here at the Twin Cities Auto Show. So here we go. This is the way in. I saw this thing. It's kind of a cool vehicle right here. This bad boy Excalibur. That sucker is nice. So very, very nice. Only 19,000 miles on it. 1988. Nice. So I'll make sure he knows I have my thing. So we're gonna get in here. These are all the luxury vehicles that are, you know, of all the expensive stuff in here. So we are. So this is the last video of this little entourage. So anyway, so here we are. I was just talking to the lady from the foundation of the car. That's why I give her some money for her thing. So we get into here. These are some very expensive vehicles for some reason. I don't know why, because they have luxury, whatever else. Just give me a basic vehicle. As soon as you drive these things off the lot, they go down in value. My wife's the only one that has bought something brand new. I'm the kind of person that's give me a used vehicle and I run it on the ground. So these are supposed to be expendy and luxury. Here. Some of them are open, some are not. It's a cool color. Oh my goodness. To say the least. What is this thing anyways? It's a Lexus. I see. Oh yeah, not cheap, I guarantee it. So, get into here.
Are you more interested in gas vehicles or hybrid?
Nice. Hello. I want to see this Lexus. What do they want for this pig? I don't know. 50 grand, I guess. Interior, ugly brown, puke. So. You can't see how much it costs, but I'm not going to take my time to look at it. So, Genesis GV80, I guess. Yeah, Luther Luxury. Luther are a big one in town here. They've got all kinds of vehicles. We used to have a criminal, a Denny Hecker. He had all that money. I wonder who gave him all the money. What cars, giving free cars out to people. He used to have he used to have his own area here a long time ago. This is the Range Rover. Looks like. Yeah, it was $11 again. I bought it at the gas station today. Electric. Had the carpet. You could fall on these things. That's kind of an ugly vehicle. I'm sorry. It's ugly. It's the way it's shaped. Again, it amazes me. I come to these auto shows. The gas mileage hasn't gone anywhere. Before Elon Musk, I don't hate the guy. He could have made a better gas, put his money towards making a better gas mileage instead of electrical, in my mind. So I have no idea what the hell this one is. For 53 grand, they claim it's luxury. Not a big deal. I mean, it's an okay vehicle. Range Rover. Kind of a cool green. Kind of like it. Yeah, Luther's big in town here. They're all over the place. My favorite, it's called God's Garage. They're down in Houston. They repair cars. I think it'd be so cool having a towing service and call it Cockroach Cars and Towing, and fix cars and put out good cars and enable people. That'd be my. If I was going to work on cars and have 3D printing, so you could print out parts, grinding up all kinds of stuff like tires and plastic, and push a button and kick out a bumper if you need it. kind of, it's a nice Corvette. $98,000 player. What do you think? Woo, be afraid to drive it. Afraid to take it out. Still nice. You see the convertible in there?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, hell yeah. I like those Corvettes. I want to have an 81 Corvette someday. That'd be my year I'd get. So yeah, I was going, what the hell, let's do one more. Used all 3 batteries. Did some for the other channel for fun. Crushing for Christ. But yeah, like I said, after this video, you'll have St. Martin. Those will come up. So I'm looking forward to that. I guaranteed I had a good time. $30,000 millionaires are walking around here thinking they can get these vehicles. It's like,
Okay. I can get everything I want pretty easy.
an electrical one. Come on, kind of a weird blue. The ultimate driving machine. I don't know, I get electrical if you're just driving short distance in town. But Lincoln. What are you thinking, Lincoln, huh? Well, 2025 Navigator. They kind of bastardized those. So, you're invited. May 15th. All right. This is Denali, the big dog. Let's see what do we want for this pig. $91,000, give or take. Jesus. I guess I'd have something a little different. I have a white one or something. Bentley. Oh yeah. It's the big dog. Oh, show savings. Let's go look and see what they want for this pig. Where did I see that? George was a blues guy I saw in Arizona. I think it was a Bentley, but when he was in a vehicle and they opened it up and you could take, it was a place for an umbrella. I can't remember that, it was not Bentley, I can't remember what it was called. They make them by hand. It's $340,000. Yeah, okie dokie. $350,000, man.
Keys are awful. Like 5 years old.
I don't know if it was the one they make by hand. Rolls Royce? Maybe it was. I can't remember. But George Bent, I don't know his name was. He's a blues guy. He was in Arizona, and we were at the bar with my sister, and he pulled up, and I've seen it in the side door. They have room for an umbrella. I can't remember what it's called. I've seen it before, how they make them. It's interesting. They're all handmade. It was kind of cool. But you opened the door, and there was a place for an umbrella. It was genius. But yeah, it's called Luxury Lane, I guess. Everything here is luxury. But eyes of the beholder, I guess, right? It's like some people like tall women like me, some people like short women, right? I get it. No. Yeah. Just give me a good car, all-wheel drive preferably. Live in Minnesota and I can get around. I'm all good in the hood. I go over here, get the Volvo.
I think all
I like that black on there. Not been in the black. I just like that. Kind of nice. But anyways, guys, this is the final video. Hope you enjoyed the little adventure. Luxury Lane. Volvo. I think. Borton Volvo. I don't know where they're at. Oh, there we go, the Valley. All right, you guys. So up here's the GMC Hummer HV EV. Yeah, bad boy. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had a fun time. Kind of lame, but it is what it is. Auto show in the books.